Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, with another video for myself, just to keep track on what shoes I buy. So these are the Air Jordan 1 High Light Smoke Gray that was released in 2020. And I have been trying to buy them a couple of times, but I only want to pay retail, because these shoes that they call the Poor Man's Union are nice. I like them. They are nice. And resellers tried to get resale for them, but no. Now I paid $60 for them, and now I'm happy with them. That was it. Air Jordan 1 Light Smoke Gray. Nice suede, nice soft leather. Looks good. These are used. Yeah, $60.